In this video, we will demonstrate how to use the main functions of EzDent. You can open the program from the desktop or start menu, but we typically will have the patient's chart in Open Dental first, then click the EzDent shortcut tab. Once the program opens, make sure to verify the patient's name. It will open on the main screen, showing your previous x-rays that have been taken on the patient. You can use the tabs at the top to change what screen you are on. We'll demonstrate the Acquisition and Viewer tabs. The Acquisition tab is where you'll go to expose or upload your x-rays. You'll first select what kind of input you are using. We have the options of IO sensor, IO camera, Twain, or import. The program will typically have a default layout that opens for the images that will be selected. If you need to change that, you'll click on the Change Layout button. The layouts we have created because we find the most useful are listed as new, then the designated layout. You can select which is the best fit for what you need. Once selected, you can deselect tiles if you do not need them all before getting started. Once set up, you click Ready. If you are only needing one image, you can also change to the adult teeth code option and just click on what tooth you are getting an image of. Then click Ready. Go ahead and connect your sensor and set up your rims. Place your shield on the patient, get on a clean set of gloves. Once the sensor is connected and the layout is open, hit the Ready button. You'll notice a flashing border around the square you'll take your first x-ray on. Once you expose that image, it will appear on the next tile will be highlighted. Continue to take each x-ray. If you need to retake an image, you can hit the Retake button. If you do not need an image, you can hit Skip to move over that tile. Once complete, the series will stop and images will either autosave or you'll need to hit Save, depending on the program. When in the ops, our program is set to autosave. When the doctor is ready to do an exam, select Viewer tab. It is helpful to have just the most recent images. You can select the date range you want from this drop-down menu, and you can also click each image from the button or put it in a layout mode. Then just double-click each image to enlarge it or go back to the layout mode. If an image was taken on an incorrect tile, so it is flipped or has the wrong tooth numbers on it, that will need to be corrected. To correct either of those issues, you'll double-click the image, right-click Image Edit to rotate, click the button with the arrows to change teeth selections. Click this mouth button, select the correct teeth, and click Save. If x-rays are ever taken under the wrong patient's chart, they will need to get moved. You will need to know the patient's name and chart number, which can be seen on Open Dental here. You'll need to open the chart where the images are that needed to be moved. Next on the main screen, hit Control and select all images that need to be moved. When done selecting, right-click and select Transfer Images. It will ask what chart number you want to move them to. Go ahead and type the chart number of the correct patient. It will ask you to verify the name. Click OK. Then enter the security code. The images will now be in that patient's chart. If a certain x-ray needs to be deleted, you can delete them once they are deleted. They cannot be brought back. So make sure to do this only if absolutely certain that this x-ray is not needed. This can be done for an inadequate x-rays. From the main screen, right-click on the image and hit Delete. Then enter the security code. When taking a pano, open the program the same way. Select Twain as your source, click OK, then on this pop-up hit OK. Do not hit the Do Not Show button. When the machine says ready, you're good to expose. Once done, make sure to hit Save. When taking intraoral photos, select the camera input. You can take a few views on the main layout or select the individual teeth and click as needed. With our program, you have to click the capture button each time